jobs and the economy. And with the State of the Union beginning in less than an hour, we wanted to see the state of the people here of Kern County. 23 ABC's Leah Pizzetti took to the streets today to hear what people are hoping to hear in President Trump's speech this evening. Leah?
Yeah, Jessica, as you can see in this graph right here, we see the population of Kern County just under 900,000, and the number of registered viewers, less than half of that. And then if we break down our registered viewers in this graph right here, we see that Republicans and Democrats are actually pretty close. Republicans at about 135,000, Democrats at about 120,000. So those numbers actually very close. And today I spoke to a wide variety of people with many different opinions about what they hope to hear from President Trump this evening.
People have their opinions about President Trump so far.
I think he's doing a great job.
I'm not really a fan of Donald Trump. I respect him as our president, but some of his policies I just don't agree with.
From the financial end of things, very well, I think. Foreign relations, maybe not so good, but overall I'd give him probably an 8 out of 10.
Most people 23 ABC talked to Tuesday, regardless of political affiliation, want the president to be honest and candid tonight.
I hope the American people see that he comes out and is his true, genuine self, and that he does speak from the heart. And I mean, you'll pretty much know, I think, within the first 5 minutes if he's sincere or not.
Be honest, look at his faults, look at what he's done right and what he's done wrong, and, just be honest with people. I think I could respect that.
Some have advice for President Trump.
He needs to stay strong in his message and not go off on a tangent like he does sometimes.
Others say it doesn't matter what he says, he won't be able to please everyone.
I don't think there is a perfect thing to say. Like I said, everybody's going to be opinionated, so.
A strong message from one local rallying for people to not let political opinions divide our community.
I hope that Kern County can, keep positive and, even if you don't care for the president, or do care for the president, just understand that when he's gone out of office, you still have to live with these people and you still have to be respectful. So just keep that in mind.
Now, I do want to emphasize one more time, less than half of Kern County's population are registered to vote. And we also do have this post up on my Facebook page, Leah Pizzetti 23 ABC on Facebook. We do want to acknowledge that the people we spoke to today only represent a small portion of the different opinions out there. So we want to hear what your opinion is. And if you have one, leave a comment on this post, Leah Pizzetti 23 ABC on Facebook. Let us know what you're hoping to hear in this evening's speech. From the Live Center, Leah Pizzetti 23 ABC.
Leah, thank